Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Rumi's black outfit on Dress to Impress, like her stage outfit for this. So let's remove everything except for the ones I made adjustments, which is just the hair and the belt as well as the lashes. So let's get started. For the hair, I use this hair in 914 FAE, position the Y 0.69, Z 0.47, rotate the X to 0.39, scale it to 0. Grab this hair and color it 914 FAE and 924 FAF, position the Y 0.6 and scale it to 0.17. Grab this hair in the same color and I made no adjustments to that. For the lashes, it's in codes in the dressing rooms. Toggle it to the 9th toggle and position the Y to 0.49. Grab this belt and color it B4811F and toggle it to the first one first and then color everything that same gold color. I did silk, by the way, silk material. Position the Y at 0.56, Z 0.47, rotate the X to 0.51, Z 0.52, and scale it to 0.38. Now, time for the actual outfit itself. We're going to grab this top in white in a light silk. Grab this necklace in that same color for the belt in silk. Then for the top, we're going to use this one in this black in silk. I think I did light silk. I actually don't know. Let's do silk instead. And then I did the leather jacket as well. I can just find it. It's in codes. Oh, not even in codes, sorry. This one in toggle off watermelon in that color, in silk, and then in black. Whoops. Then for the sleeves part, we're going to grab these sleeves in this pattern. I saved it. It's in the World Cultures pattern. Apparently I didn't save it. It's this one. I'm just going to save it again. In silk. Actually, don't know if I did it for all the sleeves. I think I did it for all the sleeves actually. So let's go back to this one and color it that pattern. I think I'm going to go with a light silk on these sleeves here, like that. Then for the pants, we're just going to use this one in white, in light silk. We're going to grab this belt in that same color. Also, I didn't use any VIP except for one thing, so it's not super necessary, but if you have it, that's fine. Grab these shoes, again, in white, and then the laces in black. Okay. So again, you can stop here. Oh, let me just add the mic real quick in black. You can stop here, but if you have VIP, you can add these chains to your outfit. And only chains in that same color. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!